Let's start. Welcome to John Lab, and welcome to John Lab's washing machine. 1984 Imperial shuttle. I know it's an 84. Well, it says 84, but that don't matter. The underbody isn't weathered. The 2007, 2008, it still had 84 on it, but it was airbrush gray. It looked weird, especially that seam. Long hair, the bottom was gray and the top was still white, and whatever. Got a bunch of 3D parts for it. Got the sound working, no sound devices. Sound. It sounds like the Millennium Falcon. I should have got the tail gun, but I didn't because it was free shipping once you paid it once. I needed stickers because those were wrong, and some are missing, some got damaged. Mail. Here's the mail. It never fails. I have to use my mom's eBay because it's 2020. I was buying like a mother. And then all of a sudden eBay, they permanently, not temporary, just permanently canceled me. So they won't tell you because of the agreement. They won't tell you why. It says because of payment. Well, the seller doesn't ship until it gets paid. So all my stuff got paid. So I gave up on them. I just used my mom's, and I got stickers. I'm far away because this thing's huge, and I'm gonna have to unfold the wings. Maybe. He gave me a little Xerox copy of instructions. You can read the letters. That's plenty for me. Those are the interior stickers. They look weird inside of it. Those four right here. They look weird. Then I need what I got. I need those two round exhausts. I need the grill. I need those. Oh, I need the canopy sticker. I need it. These are shiny. Then they had the right side on the left and the left side on the right. So I peeled them off. So I got that'd be the right side, and that one, that's the left side, and that one. So between the two sheets, I get this thing thrown together. I guess I'll start on the inside and work my way out. So I need the exhaust, the two round ones. So I gotta put the wings down. And it shows the two exhaust ports, and then there's an interior sticker. I don't need it. I gotta put the wings down. And I ain't got room. Guess I'm gonna have to turn it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn it. I'm gonna have to turn it this way so I can see inside of it. Yeah, she's down. Cover me. See, I already have that sticker. I want to compare. What does it look like? Yeah. That one's a little sharper than this one. It's kind of fuzzy around those buttons. Right there. That one's like a lot crisper. But it's pretty similar. But yeah, it has the it has this one. Might be a little this thing's too big. Yeah, the ones inside. Two there. I think there's four. Yeah, there's four. Yeah, them look weird. I'm leaving those alone. I'm just replacing these because you have to remove these to get to the screws. And they're on there. I was beginning to wonder if they was die cut or not. I gotta take my glasses off so I can see. I'll do this one first since it's closest. Should I put them on straight? If I'm supposed to, I'm a little late. I need. No, I don't. I need it sticky on the other side. Anything I can use as a tool. The guy wants to line up too. Good enough. That's done. Well, I don't want to do the wings yet, but I guess I'm going to have to because I need the wings down. Put those on. So, yep, this side on that side and that side on this side. I'll start at the top and work my way down, I reckon. They're die cut. They're very rubbery. That kind of worries me. They're very rubbery. This is going to look so much better. Get rid of the ugly and put on some cool. That's their favorite saying on them hot rod shows. Let's cut out all the ugly and bolt in some cool. I'm like, shut up. I watch it, but I don't like it. Pretty. Very shiny and sparkly. Very shiny and sparkly. Guess I need to clean some of them up a little better, but I say I scrubbed on them the best I could. I let the soap foam do its thing for a half hour, and I just scraped them off with my nail, killed them. Okay, that's one side. I gotta do the other side. How's that look? Can you see? Can you almost see? Almost. Yeah, there you go. Like that. Clip them up. While I turn it, and I want to make sure the back legs don't fold like that. Okay. Oh, hi. That's scary. Right? Scary. Okay. I guess I should put that back on. I'm going to put this side back on because it does. You put it in. You tuck this under. And it does hold up the roof because of the weight of that giant fin. It's just huge and heavy. It does help straighten it up a little bit. More so on my other one. It was really flattened and bent. What else am I doing? Oh yeah. Very sticky and rubbery. I don't know, I wish I was further away. Not too unsimilar. Just being new, I guess, maybe they feel weird. You gotta be careful. They'll take a little pricking on that edge. You want to make sure you keep them edges nice and straight, crisp. Yeah, I want to bang them up, try to roll it. I was clipping it with my nail, but I need to roll my finger across to keep my nail off of it from kind of puncturing. Well, that was crooked. That's alright. Them front ones are crooked too. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. All right, now what? I gotta get these fins up in a safe location, and then them back legs. I don't trust them. Camera 2. I have to push my phone off the table. There we go. I need the canopy. And I need the grill. I'm going to take a look at the rest of the canopy parts. You see my little clippy I made. I gotta be careful whenever I swing this thing forward. Yeah, there. I gotta work it because the right side is very tight. I made that little clippy. Guess I'll put it inside console. It says that's right way up, so I assume I'm gonna put it on that way, right side up. So I'm doing it right way up, upside down. Should be awesome. There. I'm gonna put it above my windshield. There we go. Doing it upside down and backwards, so it's a little. I think that worked. And then I got one more to do. I gotta do the grill. Yeah, back this thing up. I got it on my mat so I can slide this. Yeah, cool. I gotta do that grill. I love painting. Okay, I tipped it up on its butt. I couldn't get my face and 2 hands in there to get this thing level. Looky. You say they're in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 5 struts. Well, the 2 in the middle line up perfect with the 2 struts in the grill. So, well, the 3. Well, the ones in the middle. The ones on either side of that middle line up, and there's a lip right there, so I followed that straight edge and I could line it up. So, cool me. That's down on the ground, so that was awesome. It's a little something that needs, you know, to finish it. It's too big. Too big and too wide. At the top and at the bottom. Okay, that's the best I can do. This thing's huge and might as well wait for 15 minutes. So just look at it for a minute and 20 more seconds and I'll shut her off. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I ain't fancy. I just do it and I'll rewatch it and make sure it's okay. And I'll post it either way, even if it is bad, I'll just go and post it. So have fun.